How to fix the Sims 4 stuck on the loading screen. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you having the loading screen glitches on your Sims 4? Then worry not, here are some solutions that you can try on. To get started with, make sure to restart your PC. Simply restarting your PC can fix the minor bugs and glitches that may be causing the issue. After that, you need to uninstall the unnecessary programs. Sometimes low disk space can cause the loading screen issues. So for this, ensure the drive in which the Sims 4 is installed has enough space. In order to do so, open the Run tab by pressing in Windows plus R and then type in appwiz.cpl. This will open another page to uninstall or change a program. Select the unnecessary programs and uninstall by right-clicking it. Third option would be to delete the corrupted files. Corrupted mods can also cause the game to freeze during loading. So for this, open the Documents, which is under the File Explorer. Navigate to the Electronic Arts. Then click on the Sims 4. Then go to the Modes folder. Copy all the modes to another location and then delete the entire modes folder. Re-add each mode one by one, relaunching the game each time to identify the problematic mode. Update and remove the corrupted mode in this way. Likewise, for the next solution, verify the integrity of game file. For this, missing or corrupted game files can cause the loading issue. Open the Steam, go to the library of the Steam, right-click on Sims 4, select on the Properties, go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the process is completed, check if the issue is resolved or not. Additionally, there are some solutions that you can try on. You have to make sure that you have updated your graphics driver. You can get it from the official website as well. If none of this work, you might have to reinstall the game and check if the issue persists. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.